Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is T. Thank you so much for stopping in. Don't be a stranger. Feel free to join the family. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss an upload. If you are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. Today we are doing the ultimate deep clean with me for the kitchen. This is going to be part one of 2 videos. I want to get the whole house ready for the Christmas decor, and this is my favorite way to do it.
Time we were standing on the rooftop, you shone as bright as the city before us. Now tell me you feel it, tell me you know it, tell me you're cold and tell me I'm water, and you just keep drowning.
Opening these windows to let some fresh air in, which is probably the last time I'll be able to do it this season, so taking advantage. And today I want to show you what I'm going to be cleaning with these 5 amazing products. I love each and every one for different reasons. You can watch me clean. If you have any questions, then just leave them in the comments below. First off, we are going to remove everything from the countertops. So I learned how to clean and to deep clean from my mom. She always made sure that our house was clean. She really took pride in that. And as I got older, I really started to appreciate that because I noticed that not everyone done the same to theirs. So I wanted to make sure that I carried that over into our house. One of my favorite memories is waking up on a Saturday to the vacuum cleaner and music playing and walking into the living room with the fresh air coming through the windows and all of the smells of the stuff that she used. And I really do love that. So I wanted to make sure that I carry that into my house. So that is why I really like making sure everything is cleaned. One of the things that she taught me was to make sure that you clean from the top down, because if you start at the top, all of the dust will fall down and you can get it as you go. So I'm going to start with the cabinets. I like to do this maybe 2 or 3 times a year just to make sure that they stay in good condition and to make sure that I'm taking care of them. I'm going to show you guys up close what I am trying to get off of my cabinets. There, you can see it right here. It's all over the cabinets, and that's what I'm cleaning off. Now that I am completely done with the top cabinets, I'm going to go in and clean the bottom cabinets. And because you saw me do the top ones, I'm just doing the exact same thing to the bottom. So we're going to move on. Now I'm going to go in with the Mrs. Meyer's and radish scent. You guys, this smells so good. If you haven't tried, I highly suggest that you try it. And I'm going to clean the countertops. So as you know, having dried up food or anything on your countertops can be a pain, but I have this little tool and it's called a Skrapr. If I can find it on Amazon, I'll link it below, but I think I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond, but it just scrapes everything off and it works so well, but it doesn't damage whatever you have. I believe you can use it on glass too. Just make sure that you read the directions beforehand. Now I'm going to go in with this granite cleaner from Method. You guys, this stuff is amazing. Let me show you how good it works. I'm pretty sure you can use this stuff to clean with also, but I personally like to go in with the Mrs. Meyer's, clean it, and then use this for more of like the shine on top. Look how shiny my countertops are, you guys. They look brand spanking new. I love, love, love this stuff, and I would highly recommend it. I think you can use it on stone too, and it has a citrus scent. It smells so good. So now I'm going to go in with this Magic Stainless Steel Cleaner. I got this one from Marshall's. It was $3.99. It's not my favorite one. I have a couple of others that I would prefer over this one, but this one works, and I'm just going to use it until it runs out. But I am going to go in and clean all of the stainless steel with this in my kitchen. So now I'm going to go in and clean the window in this door. I'm going to be using the Sprayway Glass Cleaner. If you have not tried it, highly recommend it. It's streak free. It's amazing. It will make your life so much easier. If you have seen any of my clean with me's or you have watched me clean on my Instagram stories, then you already know one of my favorite things to use to clean a sink is a toothbrush. I have one under every sink. The reason I really like using it is because it's so convenient. It's small enough for you to get up under the lip of the sink, but it's also soft enough for you not to damage the sealant. When we first bought the house, of course, it had the little hot and cold little pin right here. It came out, I guess it went down the drain because it's really small. So I ended up having to order another one, which cost me $20, and then it fell out one day. I need to put it back on, but if it falls off again, I'm gonna be so mad. It just won't stay on for whatever reason. And I'm just gonna glue it on this time. It's an American Standard faucet. And it's not my favorite faucet in the world. It's kind of plain and I would love to switch it out, but it is, I mean, it works for now. And I really like the sprayer and stuff on the back.
Tell me I'm water, and you just keep drowning. Days of thunder I hear, they come.
Now that I'm finished cleaning the countertops, it's time to put everything back up and start on the floors.
Always fall into dust. We are fluid like the ocean waters, but you only crave for solid ground. Something on your mind is the comfort I can offer. Just this once for the city before us. So tell me you feel it, tell me you know it, tell me I'm loved and tell me I matter. I'll keep you.
So I usually start with sweeping. I'll go in and sweep the whole kitchen, get as much dirt as I can up. Then I will go in and vacuum up the dirt, vacuum the entire kitchen just to make sure that I got everything. And then I go in with a microfiber cloth mop. And I really like using this mop because if I don't use this mop, then I usually go in with a microfiber towel and I will hand clean the entire floor. I don't have the patience for that today because we're doing way more than just the kitchen, so we're gonna use the mop today and let it be done. I did forget to mention that I am using Fabuloso on the floors. Since I already cleaned the sink out in the kitchen, I'm actually using the sink in the bathroom, and I just used some hot water and poured some Fabuloso in there, and that's what I'm using. Bruh. Deep cleaning this kitchen is no joke, but I'm so glad that it's done. And this is exactly why I try not to deep clean the kitchen the same week that my hair is straight, because I sweat my edges out. But I'm so glad that it's done. The final results is my reward. I love having a house that smells so good. Part 2 of cleaning, I'm gonna have one more cleaning video because I don't want this video to be too long. It's gonna be the living room, dining room, and the entryway, and that will all be one video. Most of my fall decorations are in those areas, so that's where I'll have to be doing most of the packing up. The show must go on, so I am gonna end this video here and get started on the other parts so that I can try my best to finish today, so that we can start pulling Christmas stuff out tomorrow. So hopefully I can get these videos out to you back to back so that we can go ahead and start jumping into the Christmas decor videos. And yeah, if you are here for the first time over from Keelia's channel, thank you guys so much for all of your support. Keelia, you are the absolute best. Thank you so much for the shout outs. I greatly appreciate it. You have no idea. If you are one of my subscribers and you're not subscribed to her channel, go check her out. Her channel is bomb. I know her personally, so I've actually went to like events where she's decorated and stuff like that, and she is a huge inspiration. You're gonna get so many ideas. I'll have her channel linked in the description box for you, so make sure that you check her out. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you stick around. Make sure that you subscribe. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I do a lot of stuff over there that I actually need to be doing over here. So I do a lot of Instagram stories where I share a little bit of my daily life with you. So if you are interested, then all of the information is in the description box where you can follow me on Instagram. And that's it for this video, guys. And like I said, hopefully I'll get the other one out within a couple of days so that we can start the Christmas stuff here over on my channel. I'm so excited. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for all of your support. Love, 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 love. See you guys in the next one.